Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a tasty tea time snack with spoiled milk. Here I'm using 38 cm round mold. I will leave ingredients in description for small size mold as well. Drop 700 grams of all-purpose flour in a round mold. Take unsalted butter 400 grams. Dip the butter in the flour and grate with a big whole size grater. Butter should be hard so that it's easy to grate. So keep the butter in the fridge for 1 hour before you start. After grating, mix well butter and the flour. The mixture should have grainy texture. Now to this mixture add 300 grams of sugar and 20 grams of baking powder and mix with the mixture. After mixing well, take out the half quantity of flour mixture in a separate bowl. Now press gently the remaining mixture in the mold. This will be our downside layer for the pie. Now break 4 eggs in a bowl. To this add 15 grams of vanilla powder, or you can replace with 10 ml of vanilla essence. Mix well and keep it aside. Take 1 kg of cottage cheese. To this cheese, add 50 grams of sugar and the egg mixture and mix well with the cottage cheese. Now drop this cottage cheese mixture into the mold on top of the flour mixture and spread uniformly. Now on top of it, drop the remaining flour mixture which we separate earlier. Spread it evenly. Now bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 60 minutes. You can adjust the time and temperature according to your oven type. After baking, look how beautiful it came. You can hear the sound, how crispy the top layer. When you have spoiled milk at home, don't waste it. Try this pie recipe. Sure, it will turn very tasty and you will love it.